Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin, and welcome to a special video, which is one we don't get to do often. Is these late 80s two-strokes that are very hard to get your hands on. And this one's a really nice one, TZR125 YPVS, which is very important, in the best colors as well for Yamaha, which is the red and white. It's in really nice original condition, lots of stuff original. Paint on the main plastics and tank is original. The wheels have been redone, as you'll see now. But really nice little bike, and mechanically absolutely 100%, which you'll see at the drive along video at the end there. But go through the bike. Front tires in really nice condition, plenty of thread. Front mudguard is good, a little bit of a kind of fading in the front mudguard you'll see here as well. The front fork seals are really good, no signs of weeping or anything like that. Moving on to the left hand side, as you'll see, the wheels are in really nice condition. Front forks are actually in really good condition, no pitting or anything like that on the actual metals. Frame is really good too on the bike, as you'll see, all the way through, original frame, everything really nice. Engine area is actually good condition as well, all down by the actual pegs itself for the rider and pillion are there. Like I said, original paint for the tank and the plastics around it, and the surround. Up over the top, again, nice condition. Some little minor touch-ups that you'll see here and here, but again, very minor for a 1989 bike. And up over the top is all really nice condition as well. Aftermarket grips and indicators, as you'll see, which is pretty much the only non-original thing on the bike. Chain guard is present, and the actual sprocket is good as well. Tire at the rear is good, as well as the actual alloy. As we'll see as you come back to the rear here, it's actually pretty much a brand new tire at the rear there. 1989 bike. Rear brake light is original, but then again those aftermarket indicators on it. Pillion peg again. Exhaust is in nice condition, some little minor marks on it, nothing too major. No signs of any rusting under it, as you'll see. Very clean bike. On the right hand side again, everything's really nice and clean. Up over the top, plastics at the rear here, everything really nice and clean. Trying to point out any marks for you guys to see. Nothing as of yet. Up over the top, mirrors, and then we come back down into the front, the original front headlamp and the surround, which is in really nice condition as well, and down onto the forks again, really good condition. Front disc is good, as well as the rear drum. So that's it for the TZR125 YPVS. We'll now move on to the ride along video. Okay, finally we're on to what I left for last, because I wanted to ride it the most to try and get me through all of them. Today is the TZR125. Just so rare to get one. I think it's actually my first time riding a TZR125, although I've ridden an RD125, but could be similar, might not be. First kick from dead cold. Sounds nice and crispy. As I said in the video, mechanically this bike is really superb. But yeah, I'm on it now. I doubt we're going to get into the power band today. Yeah, and it is fairly noisy, so the neighbours around here will be somewhat, I think, intolerant is probably a word, if I start hooning it. You can really hear it coming in. Two strokes always, they take a bit to kind of warm up and get crisp. Oh man, so unfortunate that I can't give it a bit more, but she's really feeling sweet. She just about came into the power band there, where you know, she started to rock it off on me, but as you can see there, I just have to be careful. I can't go too fast, but that's it. There's a TZR125, really lovely, iconic coloured bike as well. People really love these. They're super desirable and very collectible. I mean, 2-strokes are over. There's never going to be any more. 2-stroke days are over. 4-stroke days are nearly over as well, guys. Soon it'll all be electric. So when it comes to that, you know, these type of things are going to be even more rare and hard to get. Just enjoying the bike though. Like myself and my father Alan, who owns Retro Bikes Dublin, have gone and looked at this bike, and someone definitely loved this thing, you know, the real attention to detail. I mean, the you know, it's definitely been very well maintained, because you kind of can nearly tell straight away once you get on the 2-stroke. If the 2-stroke has been less sit and not driven and not taken care of well enough, you just feel it when you're riding it. You'll know if you've ridden 2-strokes before, they just don't feel quite crisp. They never really run 100%. But this one is really well looked after, and really good little TZR. If you're out there looking for one, this is a good one. And you don't get many, and you get even less of the good ones out there. So have a look at this one if you get the chance. I mean, the video's gone through everything here for you guys that you need. So we just turn in here to the left, and we'll go through all the electrics and so on. So let me just pull up here. Now let me just get it into neutral there. She is now. Put down the side stand and have a look at her. So we'll do the indicators while we're here. Rear left, front left, right front, and the right rear all working. And turn on the lights maybe. Front and high beam working. You know, it draws more power when it's idling like that. Let me just kick her over again. Very nice. And what I'll do is I'll go around it now and get a thumbnail for you guys for this TZR125. I think this will be a popular one anyway. Not many of these videos out there on YouTube. Let me just get a picture of it here. Good stuff. Okay, really nice. I think it needs to just be warmed up a bit more, but I'll just turn off the ignition. Super nice little bike, TZR125. If you have liked the video, please do leave a like. Also comment down below on what you think of these TZR125s, and finally subscribe if you haven't already. And if you do want to reach out to us on our socials, they are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.